to share iCloud storage with family on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this guide, I'll show you how to share iCloud storage with family on iPhone. You want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, start the setting app and tap on your account name at the top of the screen. Then you just want to make sure to go to the family sharing options. And once you go to the family sharing options, if you are not already using family sharing, add yourself as an organizer and tap on the next button. Then tap on iCloud storage. Make sure that you have a compatible iPhone subscription. You'll need either 200 GB or 2 TB. Add a family member by tapping on the add button. Now then, go ahead and add a family member by tapping on the add member and sending invitation to other members via text message. When they accept, their names will appear below your name on this page. Once you've set this up and added your family member, you could add the other family sharing benefit like group, app store purchase, all that. So I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.